Hello, this is Brian with the National Weather Service in Topeka, and this is a severe weather briefing concerning the potential for severe weather on Saturday, April 12th and Sunday, April 13th. Here's a graphical overview of what we're expecting. On Saturday evening, anywhere in the yellow shaded area, you could see at least a slight risk for severe weather. If conditions come together, ideally we could see a little bit of an enhanced severe potential anywhere in the orange shaded region. It looks like hail and wind are going to be the greatest threats with this event, but again, if the right conditions come together, we could see a brief window for potential tornadoes, especially in this orange area over here. On Sunday, once again, anywhere in the yellow shaded area, we do have a slight risk of severe thunderstorms. It looks like on Sunday, hail and potentially some wind will be the primary severe weather threats. Now, a lot can change over the next few days, but what we're expecting late on Saturday is initially an area of thunderstorms to develop up in this orange shaded region, far northeast Kansas, southeast Nebraska, northwest Missouri into Iowa. Now, this area of thunderstorms initially could become strong with perhaps a few severe storms, but right off the bat, we don't believe it'll have enough wind shear to have a lot of organized severe weather. However, as the evening progresses, you may see this area start to expand, and some of these storms could become a bit stronger. Mainly hail and wind are expected up in this area. Now, back to the west, in this orange area, here is where we expect the potential for some more isolated thunderstorms to develop in a little bit richer environment. One of our main questions is where exactly they'll develop. Some of our model guidance this morning is pointing to a dry line boundary setting up near Dodge City, while other model guidance is suggesting it'll be farther to the east, closer to perhaps the Salina area. Now, if storms are developing along this boundary farther to the east, then we would have a little bit better severe weather potential with supercells possible, especially into north central Kansas. These details have yet to be worked out and may not be evident until the day of the event or even the afternoon right before it starts. So keep an eye on conditions and latest forecasts to see how this event evolves and exactly what the expectations are before thunderstorms develop on Saturday. In terms of the best timing for severe weather, again, quite a bit could change depending on the details of these thunderstorm events. But on Saturday, severe storms could be possible anywhere between 4 p.m. and through the entire night, through say 6 a.m. But overall right now, the best chance appears to be between 7 p.m. and midnight on Saturday evening. Once we get into Sunday, we'll be waiting on thunderstorms that are likely ongoing in the morning to intensify during the early afternoon hours. So while there may be a few strong storms anytime between 6 a.m. and 5 p.m., the best chance for some of the severe storms would be between 1 p.m. and 5 p.m. as it stands right now. We should also note that the cold front moving through on Sunday is very strong, and we'll see significantly colder temperatures. Perhaps cold enough to see precipitation change over to a bit of sleet or even snow on Sunday night. However, as of now, it looks like this is pretty uncertain, and precipitation could come to an end before it's cold enough to change over to winter type of precipitation. So again, stay tuned to the forecast for the latest updates. As much as we regret to say it, snow and perhaps some sleet is still a possibility. One bit of good news that does come with these thunderstorm chances is also the potential for some widespread beneficial rainfall. Much of the area is in a drought right now, and the latest forecast rainfall totals are for anywhere from a ½ inch to perhaps as much as 2½ inches of rainfall, depending exactly where these thunderstorms set up. This has been a severe weather briefing on Friday, April 11th at 7:30 a.m. Again, stay tuned to the latest forecast as these situations tend to evolve with time, and data will be updated in the near future.